The main reason why I do not like this router is because it's very difficult to remove this guard plate, this guard, when trying to change out your router bit. First thing you have to do is release this catch, and then second thing you have to press this very stiff height adjustment. And the thing is, it always gets stuck right at this silver part. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or if there's any adjustments that need to be made, but it always gets stuck there, and you have a tendency to hurt yourself when trying to pull it off. It's very difficult. And plus, when you're trying to place the guard back on, it's very difficult to have two-handed, even with two hands. Just place this router guard back on. You'll oftentimes just pinch yourself, your finger right on the edge where the guard meets the plastic body. I really don't like this design. It's not as easy to use. I recently bought the Milwaukee Fuel. I made teen brushless cordless router. This one is much more simpler to use. It has you just simply release the collet, you press the actual guard release button, and it comes off quite and simple. Very little resistance, easy to put back on also with two hands, and you're less likely to pinch yourself like you would on the Ridgid router. Another small thing I don't like about the Ridgid router is that installing this edge guide is just a pain in the butt, because you have to first screw on the two rods and then make the adjustments, versus the Milwaukee Fuel router. There's just one nut in the back that you unscrew, you attach your edge guide rail, and then you're finished. Yep, and thank you for listening. Please subscribe. Those are the main reasons why I do not like the Ridgid.